Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some simple yet powerful tips for managing blood sugar naturally. High blood sugar can lead to long-term health issues, so let's look at practical lifestyle changes and remedies that can help keep it in check. Let's get started. First, let's talk about making the right food choices. One of the most effective ways to manage blood sugar is by choosing whole grains. Unlike refined carbs that give you quick spikes in energy and then a crash, whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice release carbs slowly into your system. This helps keep your blood sugar steady instead of causing those high peaks and sudden drops. Another powerful tool in your diet is fiber. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar by slowing down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream. Adding fiber-rich foods like leafy greens, beans, and whole grains can make a big difference. Fiber keeps you feeling fuller for longer and helps control those sugar cravings. Lastly, a quick reminder to limit sugary foods and refined carbs like white bread, candy, and sugary drinks. These foods cause blood sugar spikes, which are followed by crash that leave you feeling tired and craving more sugar. Avoiding processed snacks and choosing whole foods can have a major impact on your blood sugar stability. Now, let's talk about exercise. Physical activity is one of the best ways to manage blood sugar levels. When you exercise, your muscles use more glucose, helping to lower your blood sugar levels. Aerobic exercises like walking, cycling, and swimming are especially helpful because they improve insulin sensitivity, which means your body can use blood sugar more effectively. Resistance training, like lifting weights or using resistance bands, is also great because it builds muscle. More muscle means more tissue to absorb and use glucose, which helps stabilize your blood sugar. Even short, regular exercise sessions can make a big difference in how your body handles blood sugar. Hydration is often overlooked, but it plays a key role in managing blood sugar. When you're hydrated, your kidneys can function optimally, flushing out any excess sugar through urine. This helps to keep your blood sugar balanced throughout the day. Aim to drink water consistently, avoiding sugary or caffeinated drinks as much as possible. These can dehydrate you and lead to blood sugar spikes. Staying hydrated with plain water helps your body in so many ways, including supporting blood sugar management. Managing stress is also crucial when it comes to blood sugar. Stress releases hormones like cortisol, which can raise blood sugar levels. This is because during stress, your body releases glucose as part of the fight or flight response, giving you quick energy. If you're stressed often, this can mean higher blood sugar levels over time. To manage stress, consider activities like deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga, which are all proven to lower stress. Even just taking a few deep breaths throughout the day can make a difference in reducing cortisol levels and helping to keep blood sugar steady. Let's talk about sleep. Poor sleep can have a direct impact on your blood sugar. When you don't get enough quality sleep, your body can become more resistant to insulin, meaning it's harder for your cells to absorb glucose. This can cause higher blood sugar levels even if you're eating well and staying active. To improve sleep quality, try to maintain a consistent sleep schedule, limit screen time before bed, and create a calm environment in your bedroom. Lowering lights, reducing noise, and winding down with relaxing activities before bed can help you get the restful sleep that supports balanced blood sugar. Now, let's look at a few natural supplements and remedies that might help manage blood sugar. Remember to always consult a healthcare professional before trying new supplements. Cinnamon. Known to improve insulin sensitivity, cinnamon can help your body use blood sugar more effectively. However, it's best to check with your doctor before adding it as a supplement, especially if you're on any medications. Fenugreek seeds. These seeds can help lower blood sugar levels. Soak a tablespoon of fenugreek seeds in water overnight and drink the water in the morning for a gentle blood sugar boost. Apple cider vinegar. Some studies suggest that apple cider vinegar may help prevent blood sugar spikes, especially when taken before meals. A teaspoon diluted in water before a meal can be a simple way to support your blood sugar balance. Aloe vera. Known for its health benefits, aloe vera has been linked to reducing blood sugar levels. But be sure to consult your healthcare provider before adding aloe vera to your routine, especially if you're already managing blood sugar with medications. While these lifestyle changes and natural remedies can be powerful, it's essential to know when to seek medical advice. If you're experiencing multiple signs of high blood sugar, like constant thirst, fatigue, or blurry vision, it's a good idea to schedule a blood sugar checkup. Routine blood sugar tests are especially important if you have a family history of diabetes or other risk factors. For some people, lifestyle changes might not be enough to keep blood sugar in check, and a healthcare provider can help determine if medication or other treatments are necessary. Remember, keeping on top of your blood sugar levels is a proactive step toward a healthier life. Hey everyone! As we wrap up, let's quickly recap why recognizing the signs of high blood sugar and making small, consistent changes can be life-changing. Whether you're experiencing frequent thirst, fatigue, blurry vision, or any of the other signs we discussed, catching these early is crucial. Awareness can help you take charge of your health and prevent future complications. Blood sugar management isn't just for those with diabetes, it's something we should all be mindful of, as it impacts our energy, focus, and long-term well-being. Now, here's the key takeaway. Managing blood sugar isn't about making drastic changes overnight. It's about small, consistent steps that become part of your routine. Whether it's choosing whole grains, adding a bit more fiber, staying active, or managing stress, each change builds on the other. Together, these actions can have a huge impact on how you feel every day. Remember, it's okay to start small. Maybe try one new habit this week, like swapping out a sugary drink for water or going for a quick walk. These tiny adjustments add up, and before you know it, you're creating a healthier lifestyle that helps keep your blood sugar in check. Thank you for joining me today and taking the time to learn about managing blood sugar naturally. Whether it's choosing whole grains, staying active, managing stress, or exploring natural remedies, these small changes can lead to big results in your health journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you know someone who could benefit from this information, feel free to share it with them. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with more health tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need guidance on managing blood sugar. I'd love to hear from you and support you however I can. Here's to your health, and I'll see you in the next video.